Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix ESPN Fantasy app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you can do is head over to your app store and then on the search bar simply type in ESPN Fantasy app and then search for it. Now once it loads, what you need to do is tap on the app and check to see if that app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. Now once you do that, it still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside the settings, what you can do is scroll down and then tap on general. And once you tap on general, here what you need to do is tap on iPhone storage. Now once you're inside your iPhone storage, what you need to do is scroll all the way down until you find the ESPN Fantasy app and then tap on it. Let me just assume this Facebook is the ESPN Fantasy app, and once you tap on it, here you'll be provided with two options, that is upload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app which might be causing the issues that you are facing. And now once that's done, all you gotta do is just go back and then try again, and that will fix the issue. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.